This video is to help you complete this claim evidence reasoning on the frog dissection. So to help you out, let us read the inquiry question. The inquiry question is dissecting a frog helpful in learning about human body systems? Will it help humans take better care of their bodies? So your answer should be in the orange boxes, starting with your claim. Your claim should be an answer to the inquiry question. So type in if you think frog dissection is helpful. So you would write down dissecting a frog is helpful in learning about human body systems and helps humans take better care of their bodies, period. Or you can say dissecting a frog is not helpful in learning about human body systems and it does not help humans take better care of their bodies. So choose one or the other for your claim. So pause this video and type in your claim in your Google Doc. For evidence, you need to look for a statement, a sentence from the TCI textbook to back up your claim. So if you said that your claim is that it is helpful that frog dissection for us humans to learn more about our bodies, then you will need to look for a statement or a sentence in TCI that agrees with you about dissecting animals is helpful for us. So you need to start your evidence with according to TCI, page, choose a page, choose a paragraph, choose a sentence, and then state the sentence that you have found on TCI. So to help you out, if you go to your TCI textbook, open it up, and go to page 164. You have section 9. It has, this talks about model systems for research. So read this page and see what you can find that backs up a claim that says that yes, dissecting organisms is helpful for humans. Something like maybe this one. Many organisms have similar body systems to humans. You can also say scientists can learn about disease faster by studying organisms like mice that develop a disease or systems in only a few weeks. You can use that. You can say that another thing would be something here. Model organisms like fruit flies can and have been used to learn about diseases that affect human body systems. So you can use any of those sentences, or you can also go to a different page as long as you find something that backs up your claim. All right. So if your claim is that it is helpful to dissect frogs, then using or dissecting organisms can be helpful. Look for a statement that says something like that. And when you have found the page, put it in here. If you found the paragraph, found the sentence in the TCI textbook, and then make sure that when you quote the sentence from TCI, to do quotation marks on that one. Okay, so pause this video and type in your evidence. Oh, if you said that dissecting frogs is not helpful, then you need to find evidence in TCI that says that it is not helpful. If you did not find any evidence that backs up your claim that it is not helpful to dissect a frog, then you'll need to change your claim. All right, so pause this video, do your evidence. For reasoning, you are looking at what is the knowledge that dissecting frogs give us, what do we do with that knowledge, and then an example of what you saw during our frog dissection lab. So the knowledge that the frog dissection gives us is that it shows the location of certain organs. It shows you how organs actually look like, not just a model, not just a drawing, but a 3D. It's the 3D actual organ of a frog. Gives us some insight of how our organs would look like. And then what do we do with that knowledge? That knowledge would help us figure out how to take better care of our own body systems, knowing the general location of certain systems. Like we know where the heart is, we would know where the lungs are. Just makes us more aware of how these organs are located inside of humans. And then describe what organs you saw in the frog dissection. If you didn't dissect with us, use the videos in the Google Classroom assignment, and then see what organs the scientist in the videos takes out of the frog. All right, so that is how you can do this frog dissection CER.